busy like I said, but I'm going to start vacation in about a day, the 18th, so yeah, maybe I'll get some time to clear just a minute there, my friend. Back to you, 080.
Roger that. Okay, yeah, just didn't get them started, so yeah, get some little bit adjacent channel interference, but nothing major. But yeah, right on. Well, sounds good, yeah. Sounds good. You know, that's how it goes around there. When you get the chance to jump on the rig, man, definitely make the contact from this side, Kali, all the way to that Waiwa. So what is that, about 20, maybe 20 miles there as the crow flies there? Back to you.
Yeah, about 22 miles, 23 miles, I would say, to my workplace anyway, so, yeah, and, you know, considering where I'm at too with these trees and my terrain and the mountain and everything, you know, that the radiation is kind of bouncing around there towards Kalihi and back to Iowa, so it's all good there. I'm really amazed you coming in, like I said, 5'7", 5'8", and audio as well, terrific. I wish I had a video gate. You'd be amazed how you coming in, you know, with the whiskeys you put into, you're doing a super job here in Waiwa there, my friend. But yeah, okay, well, I tell you what, we're going to look for this video gate there on the internet and a couple of days from now, and hopefully we can find it and enjoy it there. Right, my friend out there, it's always a pleasure talking to you, and yeah, again, you know, one day we got to meet together for some dinner or something, not dinner, but you know what I mean, lunch or dinner or whatever. And on, you know, a couple beers or whatever, just have a good time, you know, talk about old times there, but been a while. Anyway, Ron, we'll let you go, and we'll catch you another time, my friend.
Roger, Roger. Okay, Henry, 231, man. Appreciate the shout, and good to talk to you again. Long time. No talk there. Doing a good job, good conditions tonight for the local talk. Like I said, usually I get pretty bossed up on this side with the QRM and all of that, but hey, good hookup tonight, yeah. Can't complain. Alright, 73 well, you have a good one, and we'll post this buzzer up. See how this buzzer sound. Okay, man. Aloha, 73s. 231 080, your neighbor Mango Tree out here in Kali, Aloha.
Yeah, okay, Mango Tree there. 080 there. Yeah, that's a good one there. Yeah. Well, we got a lot of trees over here. Lychee to Long Gone to Chico to whatever. You name it, I got it over here. But mango tree there. Yeah, I got 2 mango trees too, but not too much fruit there. Hey, my friend, you take care out there, Ron. It's always a pleasure talking to you there. It's always good fun talking to you, my friend. And anyway, happy holidays, and I know we're going to talk to you before the year is over, but Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and we hope to catch you within a couple of days. I'll be on vacation there, so I'll be listening there. Okay, Mango Tree, 080, aloha, 231 over here, Coconut Grove, aloha.
Oh yeah, that's right. Forgot to bid you the Merry Christmas and all that good numbers your way again there. 73s all over one more time, Henry. Have a good one. 080.
Go get them, Ron.